Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're done with party speakers that can't handle big crowds, lack that immersive light show, or fizzle out too soon, then get ready to rock because today we're unleashing the JBL PartyBox 1000. This premium portable Bluetooth speaker cranks out 1,100 watts of massive JBL Pro sound with earth-shaking bass, has a 12-hour battery life, stunning full-panel party lights that sync to the music, a DJ pad for live mixing, mic and guitar inputs for karaoke fun, PartyBoost for linking speakers, and wheels with a telescopic handle for easy transport. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want festival-level audio that turns any space into a rave with lights and effects that get everyone moving, this is the speaker that'll make you the party legend. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the JBL PartyBox 1000. This speaker has a tall, bold design with a large front grille for the drivers, built-in wheels at the base for rolling, and a telescopic handle that extends for comfortable pulling like a suitcase, making it portable despite its size. It's about 39 inches tall by 15 inches wide by 17 inches deep, weighing around 67 pounds. Sound is delivered through a powerful system with 1,100 watts peak power from dual 7-inch woofers, a compression driver, and a horn-loaded tweeter, providing deep, powerful bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs that fill huge areas without distortion. The rechargeable battery gives up to 12 hours of playtime at moderate volume with a 5-hour charge time. It's IPX4 splash-proof, so it handles water splashes from any direction. Connectivity includes Bluetooth for wireless streaming, aux input for wired devices, USB port for music playback or charging, and dual inputs for microphones or guitars with dedicated controls and effects like echo and reverb for professional karaoke or performances. The full panel party lights feature RGB LEDs that pulse, strobe, and change colors in sync with the music, with modes like meter or pulse. There's a built-in DJ pad on top with buttons for sound effects like horns, scratches, and loops to mix live. JBL PartyBoost lets you connect multiple compatible JBL speakers for stereo or amplified mode. Setup is straightforward. Charge it, pair your device, select a light mode, and start the party. Priced around $600 to $700, it's built from durable materials with a focus on longevity and comes with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are partying epic, insane 1,100 watt power with deep, room-filling bass that gets crowds hyped, 12-hour battery for extended events, easy mobility with wheels and handle despite the size, splash-proof for outdoor confidence, mic and guitar inputs with effects for interactive fun, stunning synced party lights that elevate the atmosphere, and DJ pad for creative mixing. Users rave about how it turns backyard gatherings into concerts, the crystal clear sound at max volume, and the build that withstands heavy use. On the con side, it's heavy at 67 pounds, so not great for hand carrying long distances. IPX4 is splash-proof, but not fully waterproof. No app control for lights or EQ, which some might miss, and the premium price is for serious users. A few mentioned the battery drains faster at full volume with lights, but overall, the pros dominate for party pros. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the JBL PartyBox 1000 if you host large events often, and the pros like massive power, portability, and party features make sense for you. It's perfect for DJs, outdoor festivals, or anyone wanting a speaker that delivers pro-level sound with a light show to match. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your party started, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a party buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.